So again, for this problem is we're going to perform the indicated operation for the following matrices. We have here the matrix A and matrix C. And for the indicated operation that we need to perform, we have here 2 multiplied to the transpose 2 multiplied to the transpose of A plus C. So that means that we're going to get first the transpose of A. So we have here the given matrix A is equal to 3, 0, -1, 2, 1, and 1. And we're going to find the transpose of that matrix. So in finding the transpose, as we can see here, we have here the um, row 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to arrange that into uh, into vertical. So that means that this one will be transformed into this. The 3, 0 will now be arranged like this, because we cannot add this one, the matrix A, and the matrix C, because they are not identical. So we need to find the transpose of A. So now we already have the transpose of A. And next one is we're going to multiply the scalar variable, which is 2, to the transpose of A, because that is our part of our indicated operation. So again, we copy here the transpose of A, which is this one, and we have here the scalar variable 2, and we're going to multiply 2 to all the values of the transpose of A. That's why we have this one, because 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times -1 is -2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 1 is 2 again. So now, they are identical, and we can directly add the following matrices. So we're going to find the result of multiplying the scalar variable to the transpose of A to the matrix C. So 6 plus 1 is 7. -2 plus 4 is +2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 0 plus 3 is 3. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 2 plus 5 is 7. So now, we have already performed the indicated operation for the following matrix A and C, which is 2 multiplied to the transpose of A plus C is equal to this matrix. This is our final answer.